In this video, we will learn how to configure SecureCRT with GNS3. So first of all, we need to know what SecureCRT and how it is useful with GNS3. So SecureCRT, I have downloaded the SecureCRT software from the internet, and we have already learned how to install GNS3 in our previous video. So today we will install SecureCRT and then we will configure SecureCRT with our GNS3. So I want to tell you that how it is useful with GNS3. For example, we have some practical session and we have using some router on our practicals in lab practical, and we have two routers and both routers are connected with each other, and we have powered on both the routers. And if we need to configure these routers, then we need to start the console session of every router separately. For example, I have started R1 and I have started the console of R2. So if I need to configure R1, then I have to select like this R1. I will go on R1 and then we'll start configuration. And if I need to make changes on R2, then I will go to R2 console and then I will make changes on the R2 like this. So it is little bit hectic for me, but I want to make it easy with the help of SecureCRT. So I have downloaded the SecureCRT software and I will install the SecureCRT. So this is our SecureCRT software, and it's very easy process to install. It will be installed like other software. Just double click on the software. It's the version 8.1. In meanwhile, I am closing these sessions. And I am just removing these routers from our GNS3. So this is a free trial version of 30 days, and I have just accepted the policy, common profile, and I will install it. Create group, SecureCRT, and then we will install it. And meanwhile it will be installed, then we have to configure it on GNS3. In upcoming video series, we will start with the ASA. How can you configure ASA on GNS3, and how can you start your lab practicals on ASA with the help of GNS3. It will take time, so in meantime I will just pause the video and then I will continue. Installation is almost completing, and once the installation will be completed, then we will check the SecureCRT with our GNS3. You can download this software from internet directly, and installation is finished. Now we need to check the setting. How can we set this with the devices? It's our general setting, console application. Here currently we are using the command line prompt putty, and what I will change it SecureCRT, and I will just apply it. Let's see if it will recall the software I have installed on it. I am again using the software, and I have just drag and drop the two router, and I have connected these two routers between each other with the cable, and you can see the ports. I will power on the devices R1 and R2, and let's see if it will work. I will open the console of R1 and see it opened in the same like putty. So it means our SecureCRT is not working with our GNS3. So we need to make some changes in configuration. So see, I think there is something wrong with the configuration. So let's check our configuration again. We go to the edit, then preferences, and in our general setting, console setting. See, it's automatically come again the putty, and I will SecureCRT. I think we forget to set it. Now we have set it, and apply and OK. So let's see. I am just removing the devices, and I will drag and drop these devices again. First device and the second one. I will connect both devices. and then I will power on one by one. If you will power on the devices one by one, it will, by this method your system will not hang and you can work stably on your laptop or desktop. So let's see this time how it will work. If you have installed your CRT properly, then see it's working now. If you have the key, then you can use the key, otherwise I have to use the trial version only. SecureCRT now supports to update the algorithm. We don't need it. Okay. And with configuration passphrase, without a configuration passphrase, without configuration, then okay. Let's see if our session will be opened in. The toolbar has changed, a new version of it created. So customize the toolbar. Okay, no issue. So see, the color I have changed earlier when I have configured the CRT. And let's start the R2 router and see. This is the SecureCRT use. You can configure your all of the devices in the single point. Like if you want to configure R1, then just click here and start configuration. If you want to configure R2, then just click here and start configuration. You can see the color of the background and text color. Then I have set this earlier and I just forget. You can set all these options in global options, and you will find these all settings in appearance section. Then you can set it by your own. So I have configured like background is pink and text color is yellow. So this was our session on SecureCRT. So it's very helpful when you are using GNS3 for the many lab practicals. So in next video we'll start the ASA session, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for more upcoming video. Thank you.